I wonder if the grass will bounce. This could go wrong. Well, that wasn't light. Right, so our artificial grass has arrived. It's a pretty weighty roll to lug around. It is probably nearer the budget end of what these things cost. I bought it via a seller on eBay, and I think it was something around £7, £6.99 a square metre, which is a fraction of some of the more expensive ones. But it's fairly realistic, and for the kids' sort of play area, I think it's going to be just fine. I'm going to take the cover back off the trampoline because I've still got to work out how I'm going to do that junction between this and that, and then I need to run out and pick up some sand to level out a few areas. But apart from that, I think we're ready to go. I'm going to roll it out and just give us a rough idea of what it's going to look like. It's looking alright. It's actually not too vibrant and green, so it's not going to look massively different from our main lawn, which is good. I need to flip the whole thing 180 because you really want to look into the pile. You haven't got that glossy look like we have at the moment, so if we flip it around, it's going to look a bit more natural and luster. We also appear to have shortchanged us by about 10-15 centimetres, which doesn't sound much, but I had kind of allowed for pretty much bang on 6 metres. It's a bit of a pain. But we've got a little bit of leeway this end, so I'll have to shove it all that way and then we can make do. I'm going to leave it out just to acclimatise and get a bit of heat, and then we need to work out where our trampoline is in here. I'm kind of coming around to it. I was really anti fake grass to start with. I think in the right situation it can be a good way to go if you've got a really slippy deck or something, or if it's around a kids' play area. Still cannot get my head around people who remove lawns to put in fake grass. You know, if you can grow a lawn, grow a lawn. This is not going to be a long-term solution, and even if they do guarantee it, I think, you know, ecologically that soil is going to end up pretty dead below. I wonder if the grass will bounce. This could go wrong. Right, the grass has been down about an hour now, so it's really quite flexible and warm because of the sun. So that's going to help us a little bit as far as seeing where the actual trampoline is. I'm not sure where we left it. We had swimming lessons and tea and tidying the house, so hopefully I'm going to get this done this evening. The girls are going to come and give me a hand pegging in the overlay mat, or foam padding. And I'm just, those wooden supports we've got under our trampoline, I've just tacked it in there so it's kind of sunk down at the sides. And then I'll backfill that little trench with the sand, and then we'll put our artificial turf over that. I'm not 100% sure how well this is going to work. What I've done is secured down the mat, packed in the sand now, and I've tamped it down with a sledgehammer, and then brushed it and tamped it and levelled it as best I can. So the next day I went round and pegged all that down, and the whole lot is nice and secure. So that's pretty much it for this project. Of course we still got to panel that wall, we still got to put some padding over there, but the girls have had some good use out of it. Even in torrential downpours, when it was Faith's birthday party, they decided to go out. Oddly, it doesn't bounce that well in the rain because it kind of clogs up the mat a bit. Once we're completely done, I will do a full project video on this one. But for now, that's it. So thanks for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, get digging, and we'll see you next time.